As the world grapples with the physical effects of the pandemic, an invisible crisis is silently unfolding, a surge in mental health issues. Welcome to Psych for All. In the wake of this global health crisis, we are seeing a dramatic increase in stress, anxiety, depression, and other mental health disorders. We are creatures of connection, and the isolation brought on by the pandemic has disrupted our ability to interact with friends, family, and our broader communities. This has left many of us feeling alone, disconnected, and vulnerable. Moreover, the fear of contracting the virus, uncertainty about the future, and the constant barrage of grim news have further fueled this mental health crisis. We are living in unprecedented times, and it's understandably taking a toll on our mental well-being. Yet it's crucial to remember that these feelings are a normal response to abnormal circumstances. It's okay not to be okay. The pandemic has indeed left a profound impact on our minds as much as it has on our physical health. As we navigate the aftermath of the pandemic, it's crucial to recognize the common mental health challenges that many people are facing. The impact of the pandemic stretches far beyond the physical. It has left an indelible mark on our mental well-being too. The first challenge that comes to mind is heightened anxiety. Living through a global health crisis, the constant fear of contracting the virus, the worry for loved ones, and the insecurity about the future. It's no surprise that these factors have led to an increase in anxiety. This anxiety can present itself in numerous ways. You may find yourself constantly on edge, experiencing restlessness, or even having difficulty concentrating. Next, we delve into the realm of depression. The isolation and loneliness brought about by lockdowns and social distancing, coupled with the grief of losing loved ones, has led to a surge in depression rates. Depression can manifest as persistent feelings of sadness, loss of interest in activities once enjoyed, or even changes in appetite and sleep patterns. Post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, is another mental health challenge that has emerged in the wake of the pandemic. It's commonly associated with traumatic events, and for many, living through a pandemic qualifies. Individuals with PTSD may experience flashbacks, nightmares, or severe anxiety, often triggered by reminders of the traumatic event. Lastly, the pandemic has also seen a rise in substance abuse. The stress and anxiety brought about by the situation have led some individuals to turn to alcohol, drugs, or other substances as a coping mechanism. This can lead to a host of other problems like physical health issues, relationship troubles, and even legal problems. These challenges, heightened anxiety, depression, PTSD, and increased substance abuse, can manifest in various ways. You might notice changes in your sleep patterns, appetite, or even feelings of hopelessness. It's important to remember that these symptoms are not a sign of weakness. They are a human response to an extraordinary situation. These challenges, though daunting, are not insurmountable. Understanding them is the first step towards overcoming them. While the challenges are real and significant, there are effective strategies to help cope with these post-pandemic mental health issues. Firstly, maintaining a routine can provide a sense of normalcy and control in a world that may otherwise feel chaotic. This includes regular sleep patterns, meals, exercise, and even leisure activities. A routine doesn't have to be rigid, but it should provide a framework for your day. Next, staying connected with loved ones is crucial. While physical distancing may still be necessary, social connection is not only possible but essential. Regular phone calls, video chats, or even good old-fashioned letters can bridge the gap. And remember, it's okay to talk about your feelings. Then, we have the practice of mindfulness. This involves focusing on the present moment without judgment. Whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few minutes to breathe deeply and focus on your surroundings, mindfulness can help reduce anxiety and improve mental well-being. Another strategy involves seeking professional help. If feelings of anxiety or depression persist, it's important to reach out to a mental health professional. They can provide guidance, support, and if necessary, medication to help manage these feelings. Lastly, limiting news consumption can also be beneficial. While it's important to stay informed, continuous exposure to distressing news can increase feelings of anxiety. Try to set specific times for news updates and avoid checking constantly throughout the day. Above all, self-care is paramount. This isn't just about bubble baths and chocolates, although those can be nice. It's about taking time to look after your physical, mental, and emotional health. This may involve setting boundaries, saying no when necessary, and prioritizing activities that bring you joy. Remember, it's okay to not be okay, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. You're not alone in this. There are resources available, and it's okay to reach out. We're all navigating this post-pandemic world together, and it's okay to ask for help when you need it. As we wrap up, let's summarize the key points discussed about the mental health impact of the pandemic and coping strategies. The pandemic has had a profound effect on our lives, and its impact on mental health is no less significant. With isolation and social distancing measures, several individuals have faced an uphill battle with their mental well-being. The rise in mental health challenges due to the pandemic is alarming. Anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder are among the common mental health issues that people are experiencing. These are often compounded by the fear of the unknown, job insecurity, and the grief of losing loved ones. However, it's crucial to remember that there are numerous coping strategies to deal with these issues. The first step is acknowledging that it's okay to not be okay. It's perfectly normal to feel overwhelmed and anxious in these unprecedented times. Self-care is incredibly important, and it comes in many forms. It could be as simple as maintaining a routine, getting regular exercise, or engaging in a hobby. Communication is also key. Reach out to your loved ones, share your feelings, and let them know how you're doing. Virtual platforms have made it easier to stay connected, even when we're physically apart. And let's not forget the importance of professional help. Mental health professionals such as psychologists and therapists offer invaluable support and can provide coping mechanisms tailored to your specific needs. They can also help you navigate through your feelings and emotions in a healthy way. Moreover, there are numerous resources available online, from mental health apps to online support groups, that offer assistance and a sense of community to those struggling with their mental health. In this post-pandemic world, taking care of our mental health is as important as taking care of our physical health. It's a journey, and it's okay to ask for help along the way. Remember, you are not alone, and help is always available. If you like the video, subscribe, like, and share with others. Thank you for watching until next time.